What are we looking for?
A thermal.
Thermal? Yeah. Found it. Here. If you're hot, here, wear this with a cute dress. Hey, check it.
Put the place up. Put my face up. Why you doing all that? Thought you was my wife, but you slapped me in the back.
What's going on, people? Welcome to a beautiful Monday morning of vlogging. Such a beautiful day out here in Miami. I'm flyrodu. You guys are the fly crew. If you're loving the vlogs, hit that like button or smash it if that's a thing, and subscribe, baby. Today I got a good day coming up ahead. Today I'll be unboxing the world's first coffee maker that roasts, grinds, and brews all in one. The first commercial unit that does all that. It's a Kickstarter project that started in 2013 and I just received it. So I want to show you that unboxing, that amazing machine. Let's get to the day, baby.
Every day we drink 2.5 billion cups of coffee. People like you from all over the world. We talk about it on the internet and in TV shows.
People talk about coffee differently than everything else. People don't drink coffee, they have coffee.
Our working prototype of the world's first Roast-Grind-Brew coffee machine.
Unbox this right here that I just got. It was a Kickstarter project to be the first coffee maker that roasts, grinds, and brews. This project I actually I paid $300 to fund on Kickstarter on December 8th, 2013. So since then, a couple years passed and I thought I had lost my money. They had promised to ship it by October 2014, but throughout the years they had a lot of machine problems making the machine. At first it was going to be all metal and aluminum and stuff, and very trendy. They ended up changing the design. They had a lot of problems getting the roaster, but this is the first commercial machine to ever roast the coffee beans. So you have fresh green beans that come from the field. With this machine, it roasts, it grinds, and then it brews fresh coffee. Now, let me show you on the side the process of brewing coffee. Touch the sensor to wake the machine up, then scan your coffee pouch across the field. To prepare. For prepared brewing, placing green beans into the roasting chamber, the coffee filter into the filter drawer, and water into the water tank. And then 3, you press start. Press start by touching the circle sensor. Then watch the magic happen. Let's unbox this baby. Air filter, power cord. Another one, another air filter. So these guys are based out of Berlin. This is the most expensive Kickstarter project I had funded. So I was so happy when I saw the package in the mail. Nice suede bag. And a model that, wow. God. The model that I chose, I thought it was the white one that appears on the box. But actually, wow, look at this, guys. Look at this. What a beauty. Look at this machine. Look at that. Let me turn it around for you guys. Look at that. I guess it's Air Bonaverde Berling, or in Spanish, Bonaverde. And this right here, I can tell it's the water tank. It has the measurements, how much you can fill it. Thing. And up here is the roaster. This is where the, I guess the filter goes for the coffee. Don't need that. This goes up here. This is the scan section. Nice little coffee mug clips into there. And this is the roaster. This is so cool, guys. This is really cool. Look at the details. It feels high quality. This is made of glass where the roaster is, and got metal parts. This is where it gets roasted. It has a glass so you can see through it. In the box, I got more coffee actually. Same type. So I guess I might have, for being an early funder, I got some extra stuff. So that's the unboxing. Tune in tomorrow. I'm gonna brew some fresh coffee from the roasting to the grinding to the brewing. All in one machine. This is the first of its kind that exists. This was a Kickstarter project funded in 2013. It's 2018, 5 years later. We made it. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Check out tomorrow's video so you can see how I brew fresh coffee with this cool machine. All right, Flight Crew, hope you guys liked all that. Smash that like button, subscribe, tell your mom, tell your dad, hi your kids, tell your friends. See you tomorrow.
They don't have.
They don't have. How about the sauna suit? Para que sude.